guys, welcome to another video. Till this video we have been talking about options, and in this video we are going to talk about open interest. What is open interest? Open interest is the total number of outstanding derivative contracts such as options or futures that have not been settled for an asset. Let's go back to our option chain. So this right here, the leftmost column in call options and the rightmost in put options is your open interest. So if you see here, 1300 has 268 call option OIs, 1340 has 318 OIs. Similarly, 1300 has 367 OIs in put options. Now the question arises, how can you use this data? OIs can help you plot support and resistance without looking at the chart. So it is said that the highest OI can act as a support or a resistance. For example, if you see 1400 is the highest OI here, so you can expect that the price would be reluctant to cross 1400 levels, right? So this can be treated as resistance. Whereas if you see the strike price 1200 has 2902 open interests, that means this level can act as support for you. Now if we look into the charts, you can see 1400, there is a strong resistance beyond 1390s. So let's say 1400 itself, and the OI data had already mentioned that that is the resistance part, and yes, the chart verifies that. Whereas 1200, you can see there is a support near 1190s, and OI had said previously that that is a support level. Now if you see here again in the chart, there is another level at 1230 approximately, and probably 1220 or 1240 should be the next highest OI input options. Yes, if you see a 1220 is the next highest OI. So OI helps you plot support and resistance without looking at the graph. In this video we discussed about OI, and this would be it for this video. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, stay tuned, keep watching, take care, cheers.